Online students, can you hear me? Online students, can you hear me? Abhinav, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Shailaja, can you hear me? Okay. So we'll start in another few minutes. There are few people yet to join, so I'm waiting. So before that, if you have any questions, you can ask. Abhinav, you're from like which educational background, like engineering or what? Can you just tell?
Yeah, I am from engineering background, ma'am. I have completed my graduation in electronics and communication engineering.
ECE, you have joined.
Yeah,
Okay,
ECE. Yes, ma'am.
okay,
Yeah, last year I have completed, ma'am.
okay. So you are searching in course of full stack, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so you are interested with the full stack starting with the Java or with UI?
Yeah, Java, ma'am.
Java. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
And yes, Sailaja, you are like a old batch student, right? You're from Java 7 batch. Shailaja, can you hear me? And Raja, can you hear me? Online students, Raja, can you hear? Oh, he left. Okay, is my voice clear? Can you, I think you all can hear me. Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I'm just waiting. There is a few people have to still join. We'll start in other 2 minutes exactly. Okay. So before starting the session, if you have any questions, you can let me know. Like I will introduce myself. Myself, Likita. I'm a Java full stack trainer here, and I will be teaching all the modules of the full stack, complete full stack here. Okay. So I will just today in the demo one session, we will be discussing about what are the complete modules that you are going to learn if you enroll for this course and how we are going to give the training here. Okay. And before starting, I would like to ask everyone. So, generally, in the full stack, we will have like three modules. I will just tell you in the full stack module, whatever we are going to teach here, you will have three modules. Okay. The first module, you will be having either backend or front end. Okay, you will be having three modules in that backend, or you will be having front end. Like this, you will be starting, and then the second module will be like you will be having uh, the database. Okay, if we start with the back end, then next we will be having another module with the front end. These are the three modules that you are going to learn mainly in this full stack course. Okay, so would you, so you are, everyone is interested to start with Java or UI? Can you please tell me once how you are interested, like you wanted the batch, like everyone are interested with Java. So today anyway in the demo session we'll discuss about clearly what all modules contain and how training goes, and little information about the module that we are going to start. And along with that, in the demo 2 session we will start completely the module. Okay, so can you share your view, like Abhinav, Pravalika, Kaushik, Raja, everyone? So is it fine if I start with Java? Okay, Abhinav also okay, Pravalika?
Yeah, hi ma'am.
Yeah, yes. Yes, Pravalika,
I
you're
have
fine if
completed
I say.
the,
Hmm.
yeah, sorry.
Yes, yes, you can continue.
Yeah, actually, I'm working in TCS. I would like to switch job based on the Java. So I would like to learn Java from now onwards. Currently, I'm working on SAP.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, anyway, the module contains Java and UI. Both you will be having. UI means the front end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, usually we start with front end or back end course module. So, I'm just asking if everyone is interested with Java, we will start the module with core Java. And then later, after core Java and all, we will start the UI part. So, that's what I wanted to know. Okay. So everyone are fine. Kaushik and Abhinav is fine. Pravalika is also fine. Then Raja, can you just tell me? Can you hear me, Raja?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, you're fine. Yes, good. So okay, we'll continue now. I think everyone can hear me and see the screen that I have shared. Yes. So when I want, you can unmute and answer, or you can give a message in the chat box, or you can just put this symbol. Just if you're listening and if you understood the session. Okay. If you have any questions at any point of the session, you can just unmute and speak, or just give a message in the chat box. Also, I will be frequently checking and answering you, both online and offline students also. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now coming to the full stack Java module that we are going to discuss here. So complete full stack Java will contain backend, database, and the front end. First of all, why we are learning this full stack Java, any full stack module? Coming to the full stack Java here, you are going to develop some real time applications. What we are going to develop by learning this, you are going to develop some real time web or any applications that you are going to develop by learning this course. Like what kind of applications you will be developing means, you all know, like you will be knowing the Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, like this, you know, many real time applications, right? Something like Amazon and all, how they are developed. If you can observe this, all the applications are developed by using any technology like this complete full stack of Java. If you wanted to develop really some application like this, for the front end designing part, we need the UI, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And also to store the information that you are typing here, the information is stored in the database. And for this storing and every connection, we need backend Java programming language or any other language. Now, in real nowadays, every application is almost all the applications are choosing Java because it has very important and independent language. Further classes, we will just discuss the importance of the Java programming language also. Okay. So finally, first of all, we should have a clarity why we are learning this course and what we are going to gain and get jobs by learning this course. Okay. So by learning this full stack Java, you will be also developing some real time applications like this. And since it is covering with all the three modules, in if you want, you can choose core Java or Java based jobs, or sometimes you will get the database jobs, and sometimes as a front end developer, UI developer, or React JS, like this, you will be getting multiple opportunities by learning this full stack course. Correct. So these are the advantages that you are going to gain by learning full stack course. And next, in the backend part, what are the modules I'm going to cover and how much duration of this course is? See, this course duration of full stack Java will be around 6 to 7 months mostly. Okay, in this duration you will be completing the course. And why? Because we teach complete full stack Java module, so that we require these many months of training. So here backend complete backend will be completed in 3 plus months, and the front end also will be completed in some 3 plus 3 to 3.5 months, and database we require 1 month. Okay, so this database will be taught to you parallelly. After 1.5 month, database will be taught to you parallelly. Okay, clear everyone? See, complete full stack Java, those who are joined just now, I'm just started the session. I'm just giving the introduction that what you are going to learn in full stack course. In the full stack Java course, these are the modules you are going to learn, and this is the duration of the course, 6 to 7 months of the course. So first 3 months you will be learning the backend, 3 to 3.5 months it will take. Okay, so what are the things I'm going to cover here is core Java, and in this core Java you will be learning all the oops concepts, multi-threading, like this complete core Java concepts you will be learning. And then next, advanced level of Java. In the advanced Java you will be learning about the JDBC, and in the advanced Java you will be learning JDBC, and then servlets, and then JSP with EL, expression language also. So these are the modules that we are going to cover, where you can develop a real-time application. As I said, by completing this course you can develop some application like this. So you need the database connection, and to develop such application your page should be interactive and responsive. So for that all we need to learn all these things. And also, along with core and advanced, you will also learn the important frameworks which are in high demand now: Spring, and then Spring Boot, and also like Hibernate. These are the three modules that you are going to learn in the framework: Spring, Spring Boot, and also Hibernate. And also, along with every module subtopics we have, as soon as we complete the core Java you will be doing one project on this. And also, when you complete advanced Java you will be doing one project on this. And when you complete this you will do complete project on full module of this backend. Okay, this is how we do. And also, every day you will be having day wise assignments to practice. Every day, suppose if I complete a simple basic topic like what are data types in Java, I will be giving few assignments on that. And also, weekly once, after giving the assignments and daily tasks, you will be having weekly test also, MCQ test. Whatever, suppose here the classes will be conducted from Monday to Friday. The classes are conducted from what? Monday to Friday, the classes. And whatever that are covered till Monday to Friday, again in the next week, when you come for the class, Monday or Tuesday, you will be having MCQ test. Those who are attending online, we will give an online form link that you have to complete the test. And those who are attending offline, we will give the offline test also. Both are possible. So every week you will be having online as well as offline tests. Clear? And also you will be having 2 weeks once mock interviews also. See, not only learning the concept and just the practical, and at the point of interview you have to answer properly, right? Because of that these all are mandatory. So you can learn anyway, you can practice and all, but if you are having weekly MCQ test and 2 weeks once mock interview, it will be really helpful for you to crack the interview, right? How to, what kind of questions they're asking for the freshers and experienced people also, we will be asking different types of questions so that you can easily go through the interview. Okay, and like this we are going to give us training for each and every module. That is a daily task, you will be having daily task, MCQ test weekly, and 2 weeks once you will be having the mock interview, right? And the same process will continue for the all modules of backend, frontend, and also database. Okay, backend, these are the things which are helpful for creating one real time application. And the database, We will be discussing in the database about what is DBMS, RDBMS, normalization. Like this, we will be discussing the basic concepts. And mostly after that, we will be teaching SQL and PLSQL languages. You might have heard it, right? Structured query language and PLSQL to store the data in the database. So we will be learning this. Why we require database? What is the use of database in the real-time application? See here, when you are developing this application, you click on the sign in option and you give and register yourself. Next time when you open, it is opening your own page, Amazon page or Flipkart page or anything, it is opening your own page. How it is opening? That means it is remembering your ID and your password. How it is remembering? It is storing somewhere. It is storing somewhere. If there are 3 people, 4 people in the using your application, you can store in a book or anywhere. But there are lakhs and lakhs of people using this real-time applications like Facebook, Flipkart, Amazon, and all. So it is very much difficult to store their data manually. So they require a database. So what does this database will do? It will store huge amount of data. So whenever you are logging in with your credentials, it is checking whether your username and password is matching or not. And if it matches, it opens its your own page. Okay, so for that purpose we require database in the real time scenario. Okay, so just this is what you learn, and the duration will be 1 month. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll start with core Java. First 1 month you will be learning only one module, that is Java. After 1.5 month, parallelly you will be learning core Java and SQL. Okay, that is the database. Okay, so this will be duration of 1 month. So by the time you complete 3.5 months, you will be completing 2 modules, that is a Java module, backend module, and the database module. Okay, then later you will be learning this front end to develop the real time application. So the front end modules we are going to cover, like the topics like HTML, and then CSS, and then JavaScript. Okay, and we will be teaching with the latest Visual Studio also to work with all these applications. We will also teach with Visual Studio. And coming to the Java also, we will teach with the Eclipse also, along with normal Eclipse, IDE, and also for the frameworks, we use a Spring Tool Suite, and we use some real-time Postman, like that approaches tools also for executing your applications. Okay, and coming to the front end part, along with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we will also teach you the jQuery and JSON formats also. And for every technology, we will be having some framework, either for backend or front end. For the backend, we have Spring, Spring Boot, and Hibernate. In the same way, for the front end, we have the framework of React JS or Angular JS. These are the two frameworks we have. Now, both are very good, but React JS is having high demand now because of its single page application and one way binding. So, we are going to teach for this batch React JS. Okay, so at whenever we start a batch, we will see like which is having high demand now in the market. So now we are going to teach React JS. So by the time you complete your course, maybe after 6 months, 6.5 months, if there is a requirement comes on Angular JS, we can share this concepts also or recording, so that you will be attending the interviews for this also. Okay, but we will teach complete module of React JS framework for your module, for your course. Okay, so these are the complete modules that are going to be covered in your 6 months or 7 months. 6 to 7 months compulsory it will take, because we will be teaching few project wise also. Because as soon as you complete HTML, day wise task and weekly test, mock interviews, everything will be there. Along with that, you will be doing projects, because where you can know that you have understood something or you gained some knowledge from the course is by doing this project. This project will include everything. If you are doing the project, that means you learned something from the course. So that is our intention mainly. And you can put these projects also in your resume, because you will be doing by yourself. And completely, when you complete your course, you will be doing a one real time application which includes the back end as well as front end. Okay, so how to do this project including all by the time you complete 7 months? After 3.5 to 4 months of your course, we will start the internship program. Okay, the internship, we will start a project. Since we started with backend, we will give you the complete project requirements that you have to do. So in this complete project requirements, we will give you the day wise that you have to start your project. Day 1, what you have to do, day 2, day 3, like that you will be doing complete project. And you can complete in remaining 3 months. Okay, so that it, which includes the front end as well as the back end and database, something like real time bank application or library management system or e-commerce. Like this you can develop some application by yourself. We will be teaching one project, and you have to do it by yourself, one project. So even though you do for last 2 months or 3 months the project, you will be getting the internship certificate. Okay, you will be getting the internship certificate from our parent company Yokta Technologies of 6 months of certificate. 6 months internship certificate will be given for you from our parent company, so that you can put that in your resume. Nowadays, it is becoming little difficult because of the opportunities of the jobs. So if you put this internship certificate in your resume, you will be having definitely good chance. Yes or no? Because definitely they will ask you the questions on the project. If you simply put the project name, everyone can keep one project just like that in their resume. But definitely if you put the project, they will ask questions. You will be definitely able to answer it, because you are doing it by yourself. We train like you like that. So you will be answering all the questions. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I just got one call from management. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the project. And if you put this project in the internship project in your resume, it will definitely help for you. Okay, already here there are many people doing that and getting jobs also, regard when they put you them in the resume, and they are going able to answer the questions also. Really, when you are applying for the freshers, you will be having the basic questions only, so that if you utilize properly all the mock interviews and the MCQ test, I will sure that you will easily crack the interview. Okay, because for the freshers they may not ask you very depth. Even though you learn very depth also, you can easily crack the interview for sure. Okay, so like that we will be giving you training. And also this is about the module that you are going to learn in full stack. And here we are also giving you for the free communication and aptitude classes. Communication and aptitude classes. So what are these communication and aptitude classes are for? See, generally when a fresher go for an interview, first what they will be asking, they will be giving you the written test, not directly the technical round. No, most of the companies will give you what? Written test. So we are observed in our students or in the previous batch students that they are very good at technical skills, they are very knowledgeable, but when they come for the aptitude and all, they are not able to clear the test. If a company has to test you technically, they you have to first come across this written test. No, they are lacking in that. So what we have done, just with the full stack course fees that you have enrolled, we are freely providing you the aptitude and communication classes weekly along with this course. When you join for this module, after 1 month, parallelly you will be learning the aptitude and communication weekly. 2 days or 3 days aptitude will be there, and 2 days will be communication will be there. Alternatively you will be having, not like every day also. So you can get this aptitude skills knowledge also, and then you can easily gain the knowledge and pass the test. And along with that, next, somehow you clear the aptitude, that's good. Coming to the communication skills, our whatever the companies that we are sending for interview and all, what the feedback we got, it is that they may be technically good, or out of 10 they got maybe 6 or 7 marks, technically they answered, but still they will take if the communication skills are good, because technically they may give you training again, but no one will is ready to teach the communication skills, how to speak properly and how to communicate. Yeah, I have also observed many people are very good at technical, but well I ask you, tell me about yourself or tell about what is Java, they are not able to answer. They may know the answer, but they are not able to communicate properly. They are nervous, and they are also not able to put the words properly. So we are also providing free communication classes, so that they will teach you how to speak and how to speak without fear, and how to form the sentences and everything. I request everyone to utilize these classes also without fail, so that it will definitely help you. Okay, so these are the complete course module. In the 6 7 months you will be learning. That is the reason we require 7 months at least to complete the full stack Java module. I hope it is clear everyone. We will discuss depth one by one topic. Okay, so do you have any questions so far? Is it clear everyone? Am I very fast, or are you understanding? You can please suggest me. నేను ఓకే, మధ్య మధ్యలో తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తాను ఎవరికైనా కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉన్నారు అంటే. సో ఇఫ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈస్ కంఫర్టబుల్, ఐ కెన్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ టీచ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. తెలుగు ఆల్సో అందరికి అర్థమవుతుంది కదండి. ఎవరికన్నా కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్తున్నట్టు అనిపించినా యూ కెన్ ప్లీజ్ సజెస్ట్ మీ. ఓకే, ఎస్. ఓకే, యా. సో ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆర్ ఓకే ఇఫ్ ఐ టీచ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ తెలుగు, తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తే పర్వాలేదండి? ఇస్ ఇట్ ఫైన్? You can just show this symbol also. Okay, good. Yes, yeah, thank you. So these are the modules that you are going to learn, and we are going to provide the weekly test and everything regarding the classes, and also you will be getting the internship certificate, and also the communication and free aptitude classes also you are going to learn in this complete class. Okay, and how the 6 months course will be happening for you, and how we are going to teach this is, sorry, here we, when you are writing this weekly test and all, also suppose here your attendance also will be calculated, like how many days you are attending, every day attendance will be noted down. And also we will be calculating your mock interview score and MCQ score also. Like you should have attendance at least to get a good company job or opportunity, at least 80% attendance should be there. And also the mock interview score, we expect at least 6. It will not be very tough. You can easily get 6, just to make sure that you are following up and practicing regularly. And attendance also, we require just to grab your attention and also learn properly. See, sometimes you can attend online, and you can attend offline also. We give that flexibility to you. Today few people came offline, and they can join in somewhere throughout the 7 months of session. Suppose they are not able to come to offline, they can switch to online, and they can also switch to from online to offline. That flexibility is there every time. But you have to just give a message, ma'am, for today I'm attending online, and ma'am, today I'm coming to offline. Anyway, just an information we require. And now one more advantage you have here, that is, every day you will be getting the recorded session. Whatever the session we are teaching here, every day you will be getting one recorded session. Okay, class అయిపోగానే మీకు విత్ ఇన్ 2 hours of time you will be getting the recorded session. ఆ రోజు క్లాస్ది. ఎందుకంటే ఒకసారి మనం క్లాస్లో విన్నా కానీ ఏదైనా ఫ్యూ పాయింట్స్ మిస్ అయినా, లేదంటే మళ్ళీ వింటే బాగుంటుంది అనిపించినా, మీరు ఆ రికార్డింగ్ సెషన్ ఫాలో అవ్వచ్చు. లేదా ఒక్కోసారి మనకి కుదరకపోవచ్చు, ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూస్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేదా ఎమర్జెన్సీ ఆర్ ఎనీ ఫంక్షన్స్, ట్రావెలింగ్, దేనివల్ల అయినా కానీ మీరు సెషన్ అసలు వినకపోతే, మీకు అటెండ్ అయిన వాళ్ళకి అవ్వని వాళ్ళకి ఎన్రోల్ అయిన ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళకి రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్ రోజు వస్తుంది. So throughout your complete 7 months, whatever course has been done, so మీరు మిస్ అయిన సెషన్స్ కానీ మళ్ళీ వినాలనుకున్న ఈ రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్స్ వినొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇవాళ డెమో సెషన్ కూడా మీకు రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్ పంపిస్తారు. మీరు ఒక నెంబర్ చెప్తాను నేను ఇప్పుడు చాట్ బాక్స్లో, ఆ నెంబర్కి కనుక మీరు ఐ హ్యావ్ అటెండెడ్ డెమో సెషన్ 1 అంటే మీకు ఇవాళ రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్ కూడా ఇవాళ నుంచి వస్తాయి. వన్స్ ద బ్యాచ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఫార్మ్డ్, మనకి ఒక వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. దే విల్ యాడ్ మీ ఆల్సో. యూ కెన్ షేర్ యువర్ డౌట్స్ ఎట్ ఎనీ టైమ్, అండ్ ఐ విల్ ఆన్సర్ ఎట్ మై ఫ్రీ టైం. ఓకే, లేదన్న ఈ లోపే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా చేస్తుంటే మీకు ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు, సో దట్ వీ కెన్ షేర్ అవర్ వ్యూస్ అండ్ డౌట్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ దే విల్ సెండ్ ద రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్. అండ్ మీకు ప్రతిరోజు నేను ఇట్లా రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ రాసి చెప్తాను, బోత్ ఫర్ ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ ఆఫ్లైన్. ఈ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ కూడా మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. మీరు చూస్తే కనుక ఇట్లాగే ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పేజ్ ప్రీవియస్ బ్యాచ్ ఉంది, లైక్ దట్ ఈస్ బ్యాచ్ 14 ఆల్సో ఐ హ్యావ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ బ్యాచ్. ఇందులో మీ ఇట్లా నేను ఏ రోజు చెప్పింది ఆ రోజు నోట్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్లా ఫీచర్స్ ఆఫ్ జావా విల్ డిస్కస్, ఐ విల్ టైప్ అండ్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్, హౌ టు సెట్ ద పాత్, హౌ టు రైట్ ఏ క్లాస్, ఇట్లా ప్రతిదీ నేను స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ చెప్తాను. ఈ నోట్స్ అంతా ఏ రోజుది ఆ రోజు మీకు గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, and they will share that every day. I will sharing that Google Classroom. And suppose I teach a topic about data types or anything, I will share that notes to you. I will be ఇవాళ ఏదన్నా ఒక టాపిక్ చెప్పాను అంటే దాని మీద నోట్స్ మీకు నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. Okay, so suppose I have discussed about the basic what is Java or what is encapsulation, installing JDK. సో నేను ఫర్దర్ క్లాసెస్లో అసలు జావా ఎట్లా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి అనే ప్రాసెస్ కూడా చెప్తాను అనుకోండి. సో దెన్ ఐ విల్ షేర్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో. అంటే క్లాస్లో విన్నా కానీ ఇమీడియట్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని చేయలేం కదా మనం, రికార్డింగ్ విన్నా కానీ. సో మీరు ఈ స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఫాలో అవుతూ మీరు ఎలా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి అనేది నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, అని ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఏ టాపిక్ అయితే నేను టీచ్ చేస్తానో ఆ టాపిక్ మీద మీకు నేను నోట్స్ షేర్ చేస్తాను, అండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఆల్సో. సో మీకు ఎవ్రీ డే మీకు వన్స్ క్లాసెస్ ఎన్రోల్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత యూ విల్ బీ గెటింగ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అండ్ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్, నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఫైల్, అండ్ ఏ డాక్యుమెంట్ అండ్ వన్ రికార్డింగ్ అండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ మీకు ప్రతిరోజు వస్తాయి. అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్ వీ విల్ బీ షేరింగ్ ద అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఆల్సో. Clear? So this is how our training goes, because teaching and learning should be like in a proper way, so that you can implement in the real time scenario, so that we will teach everything step by step. Okay, clear everyone? This is how we send the notes and everything. Clear all? Okay. And some people will think, what is the prerequisite to learn this course? Okay. So what is the prerequisite to learn this course completely? So should I, if I'm electrical background, triple E or ECE or any other background also, can I learn it or not? Easily you can learn. There is no prerequisite only for learning the Java programming language. No problem, you are from any kind of educational background or you have any career gap also. You can easily learn because we will teach from basics and scratch. We will assume that like you know nothing, and we will be starting like that. There may be few people already, they might have known Java programming little or C programming, C++, but still we will assume that everyone are at same level and we will teach from the scratch, so that you will learn very simple basic points. Because when you go for interview, today also I have taken the mock interviews, so they know a very good, but basics they are not able to teach. So like that we will teach from basic also, so that as a fresher, first of all you should know the basic things properly. So we will, you can learn, any stream person can learn this course, no problem. Okay. You can, if your friends missed today's session, they can easily go through this recording and they can start from tomorrow's session also, no problem. Okay. One second, I will share one mobile number in the chat box. Everyone please give a message to that number that you have attended demo 1 session, so that they will send everyday recording classes to you. Okay. So I am just sharing here the mobile number. Just all of you please make a note. Okay. 8978345335. So this is the number. Please everyone, you just send a message just now. Take a minute time. All of you please send a message now only to this number that you have attended demo 1 session, and so that they will send you the recordings. I have attended Java full stack demo 1 session. Please all of you take a minute time and send a message to this number. 8978345335. I shared in the chat box also. You can just look at it. Done everyone? Once you are done, you can just let me know. I will start. You can just put okay. Okay, I hope everyone have sent it. So just let us continue. So this is about the complete modules. I hope it is clear. If you have any questions, you can ask me also in the last. Now we are going to start with our first module, that is core Java. Okay, that is we are going to start with Java module. So, first of all, as I said, we are going to develop some real time applications. So, what is Java? It is a programming language. It is a programming language. which is used to develop some real time applications. So before going into the Java program, first of all we have to know what is a program. అసలు ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే ఏంటి? Program is nothing but it is a set of instructions. Okay, program is nothing but it is a set of instructions to perform particular task. To perform particular task. That is what is called a program means. Whenever you wanted to do any task, you will be writing some set of instructions to complete that task. That is nothing but a program. ఓకే, ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అవ్వచ్చు. యాడింగ్ టూ నెంబర్స్ లైక్ 12 plus 3 which are stored in some variables. This is a program. Nothing, just take one number, a is equal to 12, and you will be taking one more number, b is equal to 3, and you will add these two. That is a simple program. So what is a program? Set of instructions to perform a particular task is called a program. Now, to perform any program, you have different ways to do it, different languages to do it. Either you can do in Java or C or C++, any programming language you can choose. But why we are choosing only Java? That is what one question, right? To do any program, to do the program, you can choose any language. Why we have to learn only Java, not other languages? See, if you have to attend the class or you have to attend any function, you choose different transports, right? One is you can go by walk or bus or a car, anything you can choose. But if you are going by a walk, you will be tired, your performance will be less. If you are going by vehicle, you reach fast, and your performance of listening to the classes will be better. Yes or no? In the same way, because of the Java features, the performance of your coding, because of the features of Java, it is more important to do with the Java programming language. We get a better output and efficient output and efficient way you can create your application by using the Java programming language, because of its very important oops concepts also. Okay, we will be learning in depth all the oops concepts examples also. Understood what is a program? It is a set of instructions to perform any particular task, and you can choose different languages. Why we have to choose Java? Because of its important features. We are going to learn Java programming language. Good. Yes. And any programming languages are like three types. That is, the first one is low level language, and middle level language, and high level language. So these are the three: low level, high level, and then middle level language. So first of all, what is low level language? Which will be storing the data in zeros and ones. See, can computer understand whatever we are typing, English or numbers or anything? Can it understand? Can you tell me? Can the computer understand whatever language we are typing? No, right? It cannot understand. Why? Because computer will store the data in terms of bytecode. Correct, Abhinav? It cannot understand the language we are typing. Computer can store the data in terms of bytes. See, if you purchase vegetables, you tell in terms of kgs, milk means liters, any liquid liters. In the same way, if you go for a shop and purchase a laptop or a desktop or a mobile, you will ask about what is the configuration, how much GB of RAM, how much capacity of hard disk. That is, you will tell in terms of GB, MB, right? What does this GB stands for? Gigabytes, megabytes. Everything will be calculated in terms of bytes. That means computer cannot understand the language we are speaking or we are typing. Everything it will be converted into the byte only. That means byte code. Every data is converted into which code? Byte code only. So because of that reason, okay, we are using the byte, converting into the bytecode language. That is, the computer can understand only zeros and ones. Okay, so at this point of time I can tell you 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. You will be having 8 bit 64-bit operating systems also, no? So for example, I am telling 1 byte is equal to how many bits? 8 bits of data. Okay, now here initially we have low level languages which can have only zeros and ones, that is the assembly level language. And later we have the middle level languages, and then high level languages which have compiler and interpreter to convert into machine understandable language. Compiler and interpreter. Okay, so now coming to the Java programming language, it is a high level language because we write the code in English or something, then it will convert using the compiler and interpreter to the machine understandable language. This compiler and interpreter are not available in the middle level languages. Clear? It is not available in the middle level languages or low level languages. Only Java programming language is a like a high level language which is having the compiler and interpreter to convert into the machine understandable code. Machine understandable code. So now I am going to tell one of the important feature of why we are learning Java is Java programming language is platform independent language. What is Java programming language? Platform independent language. So, what do you mean by platform independent? Dependent means we know we are dependent upon some person or something, then we say we are dependent upon others. So, we dependent on parents or parents depend upon others. So, such things are called like dependence. Independent means what? You are independent to, you're independent of yourself. Like that, programming language Java is also platform independent. Now I will explain you clearly why Java is a platform independent. Why- Okay, sorry for the disturbance again. Just some emergency call, so I have just muted it. Okay, so why we are choosing Java, and Java is why platform independent language. Why not C and C++? Any, as I said, computer cannot understand the language that we are typing in the programming. Also, it has to be converted into bytecode. Definitely. Now you develop one application on any language, let us say C++, on Windows operating system, and you give that application to a person who is using Linux or any other platform. It won't work properly because C and C++ are not platform independent languages. They are dependent upon the platform. So when you develop one application on one platform and give that application to another platform, it won't work properly. Then it is an issue. So the best solution is Java programming. Java is a platform independent language. So if you develop one application on Java and give it to a person who is using any other platform also, it will work same. It will work same. Why it is working same means every programming language will have compiler to convert into bytecode, but it will convert only to its machine understandable. But in Java, along with compiler, you also have interpreter. What is the advantage of this interpreter? After compiling, suppose you are giving the code, your application to a person who is using Mac OS or Linux or any other platform, okay, the interpreter will convert into that's own platform. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తున్నాను, ఐ విల్ టీచ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. కానీ కొంతమందికి తెలుగు వచ్చు, కొంతమందికి ఉర్దూ వచ్చు, కొంతమందికి మలయాళం వచ్చు. సో ఎట్లా ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి, నేను ఒక ఇంటర్ప్రెటర్ పెట్టుకుంటాను, నేను జావా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లాగా. సో ఒక ఇంటర్ప్రెటర్ని ఏం చేస్తాను, ఓకే ఆ ఇంటర్ప్రెటర్ ఓకే మీకు తెలుగు వచ్చా, తెలుగులో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది నా ఇంగ్లీష్ని. ఓకే వీళ్ళకి ఉర్దూ వచ్చా, ఉర్దూలో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే వీళ్ళకి మలయాళం వచ్చా, మలయాళంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. సో నేను ఆ ఇంటర్ప్రెటర్ని పెట్టుకోవడం వల్ల నేను ఇండిపెండెంట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అయ్యాను. అలాగే జావా కూడా కంపైలర్తో పాటుగా ఒక ఇంటర్ప్రెటర్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఇంటర్ప్రెటర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఏ ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి తగ్గట్టు ఆ ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి అర్థమయ్యే లాంగ్వేజ్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. That is the reason we tell Java is a platform independent language, because it has compiler and JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So Java contains JVM, that is nothing but Java Virtual Machine, okay, which will convert into machine understandable code. Because of this interpreter, Java is a platform independent language. Clear everyone? Because of this interpreter, Java becomes what? Platform independent language. Clear everyone? బేసిక్ జస్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షనే ఇచ్చానండి. నేను ఇంకా ఇన్స్టాలేషను ప్రోగ్రాము అన్నీ చెప్పలేదు. అసలు కంప్లీట్ కోర్స్ మాడ్యూల్ గురించి చెప్పి అసలు జావా ఎందుకు నేర్చుకోవాలి, జావా ఎందుకు వేరే లాంగ్వేజెస్ నుంచి డిఫరెంట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనే ఒక బేసిక్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ అనేది చెప్పాను. అది అర్థం అవ్వటం కోసం ఈ బైట్ కోడ్ అనేది కూడా చెప్పాను అనమాట. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్? ఎవరికన్నా ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయా అండి? అభినవ్, ప్రవళిక, కౌశిక్, వినయ్, సత్య, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? అర్థమైందా అండి అందరికీ? ఓకే. ప్రవళిక
Yes, ma'am.
క్లియర్? ఓకే.
Yes, ma'am.
వినయ్, ఓకే. వినయ్, ఓకే. You have no doubts. You understood, right, Abhinav? Understood? Okay, good. So, all of you, please, tomorrow also, please join by 4 o'clock. I will join by 3:45 only. ఎవరికన్నా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అందరూ ఒక 5 minutes బిఫోరే జాయిన్ అవ్వండి, సో దట్ మనం ఆన్ టైం స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇవాళ ఫస్ట్ డే సెషన్ డెమో సెషన్ కాబట్టి కొంచెం లేట్గానే స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. సో యూజువల్లీ నేను ఎప్పుడు 10 minutes బిఫోరే లాగిన్ అయి ఉంటాను. సో అందరూ కూడా 5 minutes before login అవ్వండి. Just you can relax and put some doubts, and on time we can start the session. Okay, clear everyone? ఓకే మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు మాత్రం వెయిట్ చేసి అడగండి, అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ లాగౌట్ ద సెషన్ అండ్ ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ టుమారో. విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫీచర్స్ ఆఫ్ జావా అండ్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఆఫ్ జేడీకే ఆల్సో. క్లియర్? థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే. ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే మటుకు నేను ఒక 5 minutes వెయిట్ చేస్తాను, అడగండి అందరూ.